Hey guys, Chris here with Indy Farm Life. So, spring day here in Indiana. Yesterday it was like 70 degrees. Today it's 50, cloudy. Blech. Oh well, at least it's warm, I'll take it. So today, Nick and I are gonna clean up the area behind my barn a little bit. You guys have seen footage of it from us doing some splitting with our firewood holders, where we stored our wood at last year. It's kind of just been a mess. So like I said, we split right back here, and so there's lots of debris from the logs, and since this is no longer going to be our splitting area, probably going to move over to Adam's property with his logs over there. We're going to get this area cleaned up. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So like I said, it's where we were storing our wood. Now it's over there in the firewood holders. I think we're pretty much set for next year. But just got all this junk on the ground. And so my wife bush hogs this field. Yes, she loves it. There's a video to come on that. So just trying to get it cleaned up so she can come back here and mow. Like I said, just all this garbage from the logs and just the ruts from us being in and out of here. It was so wet. We like to get all our splitting done early before it gets too hot, but with that comes making a royal mess of the ground. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna grab the box blade here in a minute. Nick's over there hooking up the landscape rake. So you can come through here, rake all this out, and I'm gonna box blade it, clean it up, and hopefully it looks pretty good. Hope you guys enjoy. As you can see, that landscape rake does an awesome job. So he's hit this a couple times. Haven't hit that at all. It just gathers so much of that junk. Pop can. Surprised that wasn't a beer can. Not that I can condone splitting and drinking, but drinking after splitting, now that's a different story. Does a pretty darn good job. Probably a 3 foot wide, yeah, 3 by 3 wide, 2.5 feet tall, just junk. Little dirt mixed in, but not a ton, honestly. Well, you just see how clean this is. Really don't know if the box blade is going to be needed for much of this, to be honest with you. That landscape rake's doing a good job of grabbing that top soil too. So I don't know if I'm gonna hit that area with the box blade or not. It actually looks pretty good. I might, but I'm not gonna let Nick have all the fun, that's for sure. I'm gonna hop on my tractor and mess something up. I mean, fix something. This is the area I think I'm gonna hit with the box blade. Just nasty, rutted up from when it was so wet when we were splitting. All right, let's go for a ride. Alright, let's take a look at the finished product, or semi-finished. There's no grass here, but I'm just doing that for my wife. That's less she has to mow. Happy early Mother's Day. Of course, she'll never know because she never watches my videos.
Oh, that's a big spider, Bill.
That's a pretty good sized pile. Oh my gosh.
Maybe he's a jumping spider.
Let's burn this place to the ground. We're moving. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, not really a how-to or anything like that. Just showing you some of our equipment in action. Just, like I said, that was on the docket for this dreary Sunday. 4105.
Fire and beer next.
Fire and beer next. Okay. Alright, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to come back, subscribe, ring that little bell, get all them notifications. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.